Sunday morning, rain is falling. Look at all that rain, guys. Doing the wrong one. All that soon-to-be rain that's not falling. Yeah, that's how I live. Look how dusty it is. I have to dust that. Ew. Transformer piece. I found like 3 dead bugs there once. It's Christmas. Just kidding. Okay. I don't know what to do. I know the video Titanium by David Guetta wasn't in sync. But yeah, but if you guys want a tutorial, I will make one if you subscribe. And, yeah. If you haven't checked my video out, check it out. It's just in my channel, laying there waiting for some viewers. Sorry. I feel weird. I just drank like old pineapple juice. Am I gonna die? Just kidding. Comment below on what song you want me to play next. Actually, no, I'm thinking of doing Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. Yeah, I'm gonna do that for sure. And okay, bye, boys. Just kidding. Man, I have said just kidding a long time. A lot of times. I have another channel, Oh Banana Boy. Go check that out. It has all my old funny videos. Well, sort of funny. Okay. Peace.